So how do we actually connect our ONIKUMA C1 controller here to Steam? Well, to be able to connect it to Steam, we need to firstly put it into pairing mode. So to be able to put it into pairing mode for your PC or laptop, you need to find this little button here together with the Y button until it's gonna start blinking two lights here. So now what I need to do, I need to go into settings on my PC here or laptop, go into Bluetooth and devices. Here, click on add device, click on Bluetooth, and click on all devices, and quite often it's going to show up as Xbox wireless controller, just so you know. That's quite often what it's called, by the way, for some reason. But you can see now it's connected here to my PC perfectly. Now we can go into Steam here. So I'm just going to open up Steam instead and click on the Steam logo in the top left corner. Click on settings, click on controller here, click on show advanced settings, and make sure to enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. That is very important. It's right here, as you can see. Make sure to enable that one. Another thing you need to do is to click on that specific game that you're gonna play with a controller. So let's take Rust as an example. Then quite often it's gonna say controllers not supported. Don't worry, just click on view controller settings, click on enable Steam input, and then you should be able to now use your specific controller here on, yeah, you can see, you can even change settings here with it. But you should be able to now use your controller on that specific game on Steam. And that is basically exactly how to connect your ONIKUMA C1 controller to Steam.